Hi everyone, welcome to the another video of OSINT Series in VIEH group. So today we have another tutorial where I'm going to tell you about a website which will be going to help you for cloudflare resolution. So this website is basically free, and this is a free online website or tool where you can enter the name of the domain and check if it is protected by cloudflare or not, and the services will find the subdomain and will tell you which is not protected by Cloudflare. So just you have to enter up your website URL. I don't have any permission from this website, but I'm doing for ethical purpose only. So just enter the URL and click enter. You'll it will take a little time for processing, and you will get a list of plenty of subdomains which is of the same domain that you have entered at the top. Here it says no DNS found. So if it is going to face some error, and then or if there is no Cloudflare or something working on it, so it will show at no DNS found. But if there is no Cloudflare on any subdomain, it will tell you not Cloudflare, and it will disclose the IP address. So this is going to help you a lot if you're pen testers, and sometime for the OSINT people as well. So I hope you enjoy this video. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Jai Hind.